Have you ever scanned your boarding pass only to get hit with a massive surprise fee at the last second? That cringy moment where you're left wondering, since when was that a rule? That's the reality of flying in 2026. A wave of major changes has hit the industry, but airlines have quietly buried them deep inside fine print nobody reads. It's a deliberate game. What you don't know is exactly what allows them to legally dig deeper into your wallet. Today, we're breaking down these traps one by one, from the fees draining your budget to the new regulations that could leave you stranded at the gate. Once you know the play, you'll breeze through the airport like a pro. The biggest luggage shock of 2026. If you just scored a killer deal on a flight and think you're ahead of the game, brace yourself. Southwest now charges $45 for the first bag and $55 for the second on tickets booked from April 9, 2026 onward. The airline that built its entire brand on bags fly free has officially surrendered. But it's not just Southwest. Delta, United, and JetBlue have all pushed rates up by an extra $10 per bag. Show up with a third bag on Delta and be ready to shell out $200, in many cases more than the price of a whole new domestic ticket. A family of 4 on a round trip is now paying $80 to $160 more than just a few months ago. The pro tip: never trust the initial sticker price. Calculate the total cost with bags before you click buy. It's the only way to avoid a nightmare at the check-in counter. Gate agents are on a bounty hunt for your bag. Don't think you can sneak everything into a carry-on to bypass the fees. Gate agents at Spirit and Frontier now receive a $10 commission for every oversized bag they catch and force to be gate-checked. They aren't just doing their jobs, they're on a bounty hunt. If even a wheel or handle pokes out of that metal sizer, expect an immediate non-negotiable charge of $25 to $75. A common trap is trusting Amazon bags labeled carry-on approved. Many don't fully account for wheels and handles, which is exactly what agents are checking. Measure everything at home, wheels included. If it's even close to the limit, prepaying for a checked bag online is significantly cheaper than getting hit with a penalty fee at the gate. United's new check-in deadline catching everyone off guard. United now requires check-in at least 45 minutes for a domestic flight, up from 30 minutes. Miss that window by even 1 second, and the system automatically cancels your reservation and gives your seat away. No exceptions, no negotiations. This gets especially dangerous flying basic economy, where overhead bin space is strictly off limits. Get caught sneaking a carry-on to the gate, and you'll be hit with a massive gate handling fee on top of the standard baggage charge. Be at the boarding gate at least 60 minutes before departure. Don't give the airline a reason to bump you just because you didn't know the new rules. Delta's lost baggage trap nobody is talking about. Delta's 20-minute bag guarantee now comes with a major catch. The claim window has been quietly slashed to just 2 hours after touchdown. Get distracted at the Uber stand and those 2,500 bonus miles evaporate before you leave the airport. Delta has also shifted the burden of proof for lost luggage entirely onto the passenger. Original receipts, purchase dates, and exact valuations for every item inside. Without that documentation, claims get rejected or met with a lowball payout. The pro move is simple. Before zipping up at home, lay everything out and take a high-res photo of the contents. Email it to yourself immediately. That time-stamped record makes it nearly impossible for the airline to lowball your claim. The moment a bag is a no-show, snap the empty carousel and file through the Delta app right there on the spot. The security camera is optional. Almost nobody knows that. Those sleek cameras staring everyone down at security are TSA's Cat 2 facial recognition system, already running at over 60 major airports. Most travelers look at the lens and move on assuming it's mandatory. It isn't. You are handing over your biometric facial data every single day without realizing you have the absolute right to say no. Privacy experts worry that data could end up permanently stored in federal databases. Once your face is digitized, it can't be unscanned. Beating this is easy. Tell the officer clearly, "I'd like to opt out of facial recognition." The agent switches to a manual ID check. Adds about 30 seconds. No penalties, no extra screening, just a personal choice you should know you have. The $45 fee hiding at the security checkpoint. If your driver's license is missing that tiny gold star in the top right corner, pay close attention. Since the Real ID crackdown began February 1, 2026, the TSA's new Confirm ID system charges $45 right at the security checkpoint for non-compliant IDs.
This fee only lasts 10 days, meaning a long round trip could cost you another $45 on the way home, nearly $100 just to walk through security. Check your license today. No Gold Star means booking a DMV appointment immediately, a one-time fix that removes this stress from every future flight. The 311 rule is still the law. Don't fall for the TikTok lies. Don't buy into the viral hacks claiming the liquid rule is gone. The 311 rule is still the law in 2026. Liquids must be 3.4 ounces or less, all fitting into a single quart-sized clear bag. The only thing that changed is the tech. Major hubs like O'Hare, DFW, and Miami have 3D CT scanners where you can breeze through without digging out toiletries. But most smaller airports are still running old equipment. Assume your airport is old school and pack accordingly. Holding up a massive line over an oversized tube of toothpaste is one of the most avoidable airport moments there is. Airlines finally have to play fair. Amid the price hikes, there are real wins coming from the DOT. Kids 13 and under must sit next to at least one accompanying adult at zero extra cost. Several major airlines have already signed on. And the era of sitting on hold begging for refunds is over. If an airline cancels or causes a significant delay, over 3 hours domestic, over 6 hours international, they must automatically refund your money to the original payment method. This applies to add-ons too. Pay for Wi-Fi or a seat upgrade that never happened, and you're getting that money back. Still, screenshot delay times and save receipts if you get stuck overnight. Ask the gate agent about customer service policies. Many airlines now must provide meal vouchers or hotel stays for qualifying delays. Europe just changed everything for American travelers. As of April 10, 2026, the EU switched on the entry-exit system across all Schengen borders. Every time you enter or leave Europe, your facial image and fingerprints are digitally recorded. Build extra connection time into European itineraries. The new scanning process slows things down. And watch for late 2026 when ETIASIS kicks in. American travelers will need to apply online before flying for about €7. Without that digital authorization, airlines won't let you board. If London is on the itinerary, add another rule. As of February 25, 2026, a U.S. passport alone isn't enough. The U.K. now requires an electronic travel authorization costing £10 to £20. Airlines will block you from boarding immediately without an approved code. Get that registration done at least 3 days before departure. Your passport's physical condition can get you kicked off a flight. Even with every authorization in order, there's one more trap at the boarding gate: the physical condition of your passport. Gate agents in 2026 are flagging tiny rips on the info page, small water stains over the photo, and unofficial stickers on the cover. Damage that used to be ignored is now being called an invalid document. Pull your passport out right now and inspect it closely. Any signs of wear, peeling, or damage, get it replaced before your next trip. Being turned away at the gate over a preventable document issue is one of the most avoidable travel disasters there is. The tools that make all of this disappear. Despite all the headaches, the right tools make the airport feel like a VIP experience. Mobile passport control is free, official, and accepted at over 50 airports, letting you submit entry info on your phone before reaching the customs officer. For anyone hitting international terminals twice a year or more, Global Entry is the undisputed king. Clear Plus is the fastest way through the ID check. Just remember, it only speeds up the paperwork side, not the actual security scan. Pair Clear with TSA PreCheck and you own every priority lane in the building. By end of 2026, facial recognition boarding gates will be standard at almost every U.S. international terminal. Uncomfortable with that? Request a manual check. No penalties. Your data stays yours. Traveling in 2026 isn't harder. It just rewards the people who prepare. What's the one travel nightmare you're most terrified of hitting this year? Surprise baggage fees or a 3-hour security line? Drop your horror stories or your best save in the comments. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss our next airport deep dive.